Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce an app. It's called well known and popular app. It's called Grammarly AI Writing Assistant. So I'll not give you the full review, just quick information about this app. You can see the rating of the app for 20 out of 5 and 2 lakh reviews, 11 megabyte size of the app, and you can see more than 50 million plus people use this app. So if you want to see the more feature, then you can get here. Trusted by 30 million people. And you can see get writing suggestions in all your apps. Strike the right note tone and work with any keyboard. So get instant rewrite. So there are a lot of things. It's all about writer and all about checking your writing or essay or something. So if you want to learn more about this app, you can see a proofreader, English grammar, spelling, punctuations, vocabulary and fluency. So many people give the good results. Grammarly is an essential tool for anyone who writes regularly. It not only correct grammars and spelling and mistakes, but also enhance clarity, tone and style. And many people give the good ratings. I will create more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorial. So today's no more. See you in the next video.